Welcome to today's Cothern Cards pack opening video. Today we have a pack of Core 2021, a draft booster pack. Let's see what we get. Make sure you like today's video if you enjoy watching these, and subscribe for future Cothern Cards pack openings and unboxings. Today we have a Pestilent Haze, Reign of Revelation, Roaming Ghostlight, Infernal Scarring, Basri Acolyte Showcase Frame, Gnarled Sage, Gloom Sour, Drowsing Tyrannodon, Celestial Enforcer, Turn to Slag, Lofty Denial, Feet of Resistance, Saproling Token, Mountain, Basri's Lieutenant Rare, and a Skyway Sniper Uncommon. That's it for today's pack opening video. Make sure to like this video if you want to see more, and subscribe so you'll get notified when new videos are released.